Hello! Today we will continue learning about sea animals. Many animals live in the ocean or near the water. They all have different colors, shapes, and sizes. In our first video, we talked about fish, crabs, lobsters, sea turtles, and many other animals. Today, we will learn more names of the sea animals. This is a sea lion. Sea lions are very playful and they can be easily trained by people. Sea lion. This is a penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they swim very fast. Penguin. This is a blue-legged hermit crab. Hermit crabs need to find a new shell when they outgrow the old one. Hermit crab. This is a narwhal. It has a long tusk on the face. Narwhal. This is a sailfish. It is the fastest fish in the ocean. Sailfish. Let's take a break and play with water beads. Ooh, so pretty! Nice colors! It's so cool! This is a hammerhead shark. It has a flat head that looks like a hammer. Hammerhead. This is a seal. Seals look cute because they have no visible ears on their round heads. Seal. This is a whale shark. It is covered with white spots and it eats mostly plankton. Whale shark. This is a walrus. It has two tusks and whiskers on its face. Walrus. This is a squid. Squids have soft bodies, 8 arms and 2 long tentacles. Squid. The sea animals are hiding in these water beads. Let's take them out one by one. It will be fun. Let's see what we've got. Seal. What animal is it going to be now? Narwhal. I wonder what we get next. Squid. Let's see what we've got. Hermit crab. What animal is it going to be now? Hammerhead. I wonder what we get next. Sailfish. Let's see what we've got. Walrus. What animal is it going to be now? Penguin. I wonder what we get next. Whale shark. Let's see what we've got. Sea lion. And now, let's drop the sea animals into this class. What animal is this? Penguin. Look at this animal. What is it? Whale shark. Let's name this animal. Sea lion. What animal is this? Squid. Look at this animal. What is it? Hammerhead. Let's name this animal. Sailfish. What animal is this? Narwhal. Look at this animal. What is it? Seal. Let's name this animal. Hermit crab. What animal is this? Walrus. And now let's ride the Sea Animal Carousel. It will be fun! Woohoo! Yippee! Awesome! We hope you had fun with us today. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.